Hi everyone, today I'm in Menam Beach at the Tree House, which is a really good restaurant in Menam, really fair prices and really good foods. If you have never tried it, I really advise to try this one. It's a really colorful place right on the beach of Menam. As you can see, it's really colorful. Tables are bamboo made tables. And so the place is a really nice spot to enjoy Menam. And from there you have a really nice view on Copenhagen over there. I ever made a video in Menam, and at this time the tide was quite low, and as you can see today is the tide is high, so we have a lot of water. I love this place for the food first, and also for the location, and because it's really colorful. Perfect spot to enjoy the sunset and this view on Copenhagen. They have a restaurant but also some bungalows, as you can see. There are bungalows here and right over there. And next door they are making a new place, new hotel. Last time I made a video it was still under construction, but now it's becoming better and better. So today is a really beautiful day with a really nice weather. It's sunny, no wind, the sea is flat. I think it's going to be quite nice. Making your outdoor area and with the pool and rooms. I don't know when they expect to be open. Maybe soon. And yeah, if you look to my previous videos, you can see the one I did in Menam, a few months ago, and as the tide was low, right here it was only sand, you can easily walk. And as you can see today, I need to walk through the water because of the tide. It's quite nice to walk in the water like that because the water is at the perfect temperature. I think it's around 25 or 26 degrees. Hi. And so now we reach the first bungalows, which are the old ones. And as you can see again, it's really quiet. There's not much people, not many people on the beach. And there, Jamaica Bar, which seems to be open, still open. No, it's not open. I was wrong. Everything, yeah, it's closed. I love this view on Copenhagen. We can almost, right over there, see Koh Tao. So it's really, really nice. Okay guys, as I ever did this video, and I didn't do any video for long, so that's why I made this video. I was a little bit busy the last week, but I will try to make another ones in the next days. I plan to go to some different places that you asked me, like the Central Festival in Chaweng, and I want also to do a video of the Lamai Market and other places. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Take care and see you. Bye.